Good morning. Okay, so I promised a few of you that I was going to be doing my hair feathers when I got back home because when I was in Hawaii, they fell out and Erica accidentally cut one out. So let's get to it. The first thing you're gonna wanna do, just so you don't forget about it, is pick a bead color that is closest to your natural or whatever is at your root and slide it down onto the bottom of this little tool that you hopefully bought when you got your feathers. I am going to be doing a Zoom call, a virtual styling call with someone, so my hair's not done so that her and I can do it together. But this is typically where my hair parts naturally or in the center. So what I'm going to do is just put it like right down here so that it's just off my hairline and it still kind of peeks through my hair. So I'm going for right here. And you probably want to do like 10 to 15 strands of hair. This might be a little bit much, but we're just gonna rock with it. These are the feathers that I'm doing. And I kind of like to get the tips of those ready, but then the next thing is going to be putting your hair through this little tool, sliding the bead onto the hair, and then you want to get it like pretty close to your root, but you don't want it too tight because otherwise it can be like, I don't know, kind of sore until it grows out. So that, and now I'm going to place the feathers into the bead and clamp it with this guy. And I might have to run to the bathroom for a better mirror, so I'll be right back. And just like that, something to just be mindful of is like kind of clamping it down how it's going to lay rather than like upwards or anything wonky. We want to put it in there how the hair is going to lay. So just like that. Let me know if you guys have any questions about putting in feathers. And before anyone asks, oh my God, I'm so glad I remembered to say this. My feathers are from Feather My Head and you can find them on Etsy. I hope you have a good ass day.